Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a 4-stage water filtration from your municipal water. So what required, I did make a list here. First one is bracket triple slimline, which is this one. Filter housing 3. UF line filter housing, which is this one. Sediment, PP sediment cartridge, it's this one. Your block activated carbon cartridge, which is this one. And then you got KDF gag cartridge filter, which is this one. This one, the lifetime of this one is 3 years, and this one every 6-7 months you need to replace those cartridge. And I need a booster nylon, which is this one, and then a nipple poly 20, which is this one, and then threaded tape. You will need threaded tape. You need the blue pipe to come to the end of this connection, and filter housing spanner, screws, and elbow. To make the video short, okay, I'm going to connect that bush here. The bush, I'm going to connect it here. First, you need to put threaded tape. Let me just put some threaded tape. Threaded tape. And tape, and then I'm going to put that elbow this side here. And you put tight on its own. And you need to be that way. Okay. This is done. And now I just have to quickly put some threaded tape here. Quickly, and okay, so there we go. We got our housing is mounted, and just remember here I put a nipple plus a reducer so that this blue pipe can fit in here. And what I'm going to do now I'm going to mount my slimline triple pole bracket here. And I will just put the screws. Start putting the screws now. You must have your spanner in place, and then I will start with my PP sediment filter, which is this one. This one will block all the impurities, and make sure you got your rubber inside your bottle. And now I'm just mounting it to the housing. This must be tied by hand. Okay, just now I'll start it with a spanner, and then now I will go with my carbon, block carbon. Block carbon activated filter. Okay, and now we're going to put this one. Make sure you see you put your rubber seal inside here. Okay, make sure it sits properly. And then this is a new filter that I'm going to use now. This is an additional, which is a GAC filter, which is a lifetime. You will see it's fit nicely here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount it here, screw it. Okay, and then to tighten it, you use the spanner and you just put it inside, and on the spanner it tells you to open and to close. Close it that way. So what we do is we just make sure it closes. Put in the other one. Okay. Not too much. And then we got this one. Okay, this is closed. And now what I'm going to do is, this is my inline filter. This is my inlet, and this will be my outlet. And from my outlet, this will go to this filter. So what I want to do is, I just want to do the prep here. Quickly, I will just get this pipe and get this pipe quickly. Okay, first stage is ready. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this inline filter now, and the flow direction will be this way. And what I'm going to do first of all is I'm just going to secure it with some cable ties, just to keep it in place. So just be careful, these two holes, you're just going to hang your filtration. The tricky one is here, you need to remove, there's a blue clip here. You need to pull the blue clips, and then you push that pipe inside. Once you push the pipe inside, then you push that clip here to lock it, so there's no way it will come out. And then what I'm going to do is I need to cut a piece that will fit. I can do it even like this if I want. No, let Rosa do it. Just okay. Now I'm going just to cut this pipe. I measure it already. Okay. The same thing apply is you need to remove that clip here. Make it do. And then you fit this one inside. Okay, it's in and push this in. Okay, now this piece now will go to your tap. So your inlet, it will go to the first filtration, goes to the second filtration, to the third, then goes through this small pipe and goes through this last filter, and then there you are going to have your clean water. Thank you guys. I think this will help a lot of people how to do your own 4-stage filtration. Thank you.